Ndewo no. Remember what I tell you how to say hello, hi. Ụtụtụ ọma, mana ugbu a abụzighị ụtụtụ, ugbu a bụ ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma. Okay? I see Ekene, I see Ifechi, I see Zara and Brian, I see Ugonna, Zizi, Ike. So I'm looking at everybody here. And I believe maybe Ekene can help us. Ekene Kedu. When I call, you know what? I'm gonna unmute everybody. And please, no noise. I don't want any background noise. You can't be in this class and you're doing something else. If you're in this class, I want you to pay attention. I want you to listen. Gente, listen. Gente means listen, okay? Be quiet, okay? Just be quiet and listen. All right. Tata, meaning today. Every time I keep saying Tata. And if I ask you a question, what is today? And you tell me you don't know it. Hey, that would be, I wouldn't be happy about it. So now everybody get on to means listen. Gente, when somebody say gente, it means listen. Okay? So when I call your name, and then I point at the body part, the head area, I want you to tell me what it is. Chukwuemeka, unmute yourself. Chukwuemeka, Ohagu, Chukwuemeka, unmute yourself. Chukwuemeka on ebe ahụ. Chukwuemeka on ebe ahụ. When I call your name, you do not answer me. I will take you out of the class. If you're in this class, I want you to be present. I want to hear you. You can't be in this class and you're doing something else. Maybe watching TV or playing with your toys. If I don't hear your name, I will take you out. Parents, I want you to take notes because I want them to be present.
I don't know.
I don't want anybody to make, okay, let me go ahead and mute everybody. When I call your name, I will give you permission to unmute yourself. And please try to unmute. Chukwuemeka is not answering me. Zizi, I need you to unmute yourself.
Yes.
What is yes, Zizi? Means yes, okay. All right, Zizi. Zizi, I need to see your video. I need to be looking at you, Zizi.
I'm here.
Okay. All right. So let me see. I have to be looking at you. I want you, where? I have to put you here so that everybody will see you at the same time. Zizi, can you get your hand up? I need to get you.
Yes, I can.
I need to see your hand up. I don't see your hand. Okay, I see you. Okay, Zizi, Zizi, Guinea head. Zizi, don't look at me. Look at me. You have to memorize it. Everybody. Zizi, Guinea head.
Easy.
Guinea mouth. No. Look at me. Lewe manya. Guinea mouth. If you don't know it, I want you to say, Amagimiya, okay? If I ask you something you don't know it, to say Amagimiya, okay? Zizi Guinea ear. No, look at me. Tell mommy, one mommy gonna auntie here, Niagalu so your good, okay? Mommy see about poor. Zizi, lewe maya means look at me, okay? It's all right. I want you to relax, okay? Can you smile? Smile at me. There you go. Now, don't freak out. Just if you don't know it, just say Amagemiya. Can you say Amagemiya?
Amagemiya.
Yes. So I want you to relax. I want you to have fun. Okay? I don't want you to be scared, okay? All right, we got it? Okay, if you know it, you answer me. If you don't know it, say, Amagemiya, okay?
Okay.
That's cool. I want you to be okay. All right, Zizi, get your eye. Your eye.
Anya. Anya.
Anya. Dalo. Get your earring.
Ola. Nte.
Olante. Get your lips.
Amagimia.
Dalo. Get your chin. If you don't know it, just say Amagemiya. Zizi, lewe manya. Look at me. Okay, Zizi, Genewu, nose. I can't hear you. I think you muted yourself. Unmute, Zizi. Unmute yourself. Okay. Genewu, nose. Zizi, lewe
Yes.
manya. Genewu, nose.
Imi.
Imi. Zizi, Genewu, cheerful face.
Amagimia.
Dalo. So, okay, you tried. When I say koro nwegaka, it means clap for yourself. Koro nwegaka. This is Dalo. I'm gonna get somebody else. Chinua. Chinua, come on, unmute yourself, Chinua.
Yes, teacher.
All right, Chinua. Chinua, I need to see your face. Come on. I need you to show Dalo. There you go. Okay. I need to see your face very well, Chinua. Get it done. Okay, Emeka. Emeka Seba.
No,
Is that
Mecca.
Chinedum? Okay, you
Yes.
are Chinedum. All right, Chinua. Chinua, give me
Yes.
chick. Chinua, give me your chick.
Cheek is E.
No, don't say chick. It's chickable.
Cheek bo T.
Nti. Chinua, give me your tongue.
Tongue is
No.
Tongue
The way
is-
manya. Meaning, look at me. Give me your tongue. If you don't know it, I want you to say Amagimiya.
Amagemia.
Chinua, give me your hair. Your hair.
Ntutu.
Chinua, give me your eyes.
Amagemia.
Chinua, give me your ears.
Nte.
Nte. Can you say nte?
Nte.
Okay, Chinua, gene with your face.
Amagemia.
Okay, Chinua, gene with your shin.
Amagemia.
Okay, Chinua, I need you to practice more. Okay?
Okay.
Make sure you practice. All right?
Okay.
Sim O.
Hey, let me try.
Can you say O?
Oh.
Okay, now, Chinedum gwa Norani. Norani means sit down. Chinedum, I need to see your face very well. Okay, Chinedum, Genewo, cheerful face. Chinedum, I need to see your face. I can't see you. Okay, what is cheerful face?
Hey.
If you don't know it, tell me you don't know it.
Amagemia.
Genewo, eyeglasses.
Amagemia.
Genewo, your mouth. Chinedum, I need to see your face. Actually, hugi.
Amagemia.
Chinedum, Genewo, your lips. Lips.
I remember it, but I don't know how to pronounce it.
Ebugoro ono. Can you say that?
Yes.
Why don't everybody pick
Okay,
on
now
his own
Chinedum.
His iPad died.
Chinedum,
His iPad's
Chinedum.
glitching.
All right,
Which
Chinedum,
iPad?
I need.
His iPad died.
All right, I need you to practice, you and your brother. Make sure you practice, okay? All right. Chubi Kem. No. Chisom, unmute yourself. Chisom, can you unmute yourself? I need to see you,
Yes.
Chisom. Okay,
Yes.
Chisum. Okay, I need to put you, and I need to see your video, Chisum.
Yes.
All right. Now, Chisum, Genewo, your teeth.
Eze.
Genewo, your eyeglasses.
Amagimia.
Genewo, your lips.
Amagimia.
Genewo, tongue.
Amagimia.
Genewo, eye.
Anya.
Genewo, nose.
Imi.
Genewo, your earrings.
Amagimia.
Genewo, shin.
Amagimia.
Genewo, your beard. Genewo, beard.
Amagimia.
Genewo, cheerful face.
Amagimia.
Okay, Chisum na, gente. Genewo, gente, Chisum.
Listen.
Dalo, I need you to practice more, okay?
Yes.
So you promise me by next week you're gonna know it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Genewo, yes. Dalo, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so make sure you practice with your siblings, okay? You
Okay.
don't know it as parents. If your mommy and daddy, they're not gonna help, you know you can reach me, right?
Yes.
Okay. Genebu, yes, Chisum.
Eh.
Dal, okay? All right. Let me get another person. David Zumba. David, unmute yourself. Okay, David, your video. I need to see you on video here. I need to see David. David, Caro. Wait, I'm trying to remove. I just want to just see David, Caro, email.
Adema.
Okay, David, Genewu imi.
Oh, okay.
If you don't know it, just say I don't know it, okay?
I don't know.
Okay, David, Genewu anya.
I'm sorry. I'm not sure if I know that.
Just say amagim anya. If you don't know it, just tell me you don't know it. It's okay.
Agime Anya. Sorry.
Amagim ya.
Amagime, yeah.
So if you don't know something, just say amagim ya, okay? David, Genewu lips. It's okay. You don't know it, just say I don't know it, okay?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm getting
No, I want you to say it well. Amagim ya.
Amagim, yeah.
Okay. Genewu mouth.
That one's like Igbo.
No, mouth is mouth. No. Mouth is, can you look at Lewe Maya, David? Lewe Maya means to look at me. Mouth is the opening, which is your honor. Can you say honor?
Onu.
Yeah. Then the Guinea will leap. I think that's the one you are trying to tell me. So now tell me what it is now.
It's Igbo.
Ebugboro. Can you say ebugboro honor?
Egburu oru.
Ebugboro
Egburu
honor.
onu.
Okay, David, now I need you to practice that, okay? Your head area. Remember, we're just focusing on the head area. I need you to memorize all the body part on your head area, okay? You promise me by next week you're going to learn all of them, right?
Yes, yeah.
We have a deal here, right?
Yes.
Okay, David, please practice, okay?
Okay.
Dalo. Xavier, I know I have two Xavier. Xavier, okay. Can you get, no. Xavier Ndu Agoba. Xavier Ndu Agoba, I need you to unmute yourself. Not the other Xavier, okay? Dalo Xavier. Xavier, Guinea, hair. Your hair. Xavier, look at me. Lewe Manya. Mommy, tell mommy, auntie is going to fight her now. Gino hair.
She said
Xavier,
hair.
your hair. Look at me. You see, I'm pointing at it. What is the hair?
Tutu.
Tutu, Dalo. Xavier, Gino, mouth. Look at me. Don't look somewhere else. Gino, mouth. Xavier, Gino, mouth. Now, if you don't know it, I want you to say, Amagemia. Can you say that? Amagemia. No, and get your hand off your mouth, Xavier. Get your hand off your mouth. Now, I want you to say, Amagemia. Amagem. Ya. Amagem. Ya. Okay. Xavier, again, with nose. Gene with eye. Gene with face. Now, parents, I'm going to have a meeting with all of you. Mono guess a nukogu. All right, Xavier, I want you to practice all this, okay? We have a deal here, huh? You don't practice it, I'm coming to eat your food. Trust me. I'm gonna take your food when mommy cook that food. I say, no, I'm eating your own. So you better practice. Okay? All right, darling. Now I'm gonna call Oluchi. Oluchi, okay? So Oluchi, unmute yourself. And I'm gonna put you up. And I'm looking for you. Oluchi, will you talk again? Look, come on, I saw you. Okay, let me see if your video is up.
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm still looking for you. Get your hand up, Oluchi. I think I'll find you. I'm looking for you. Whoa. Okay, I think I see. No? I don't know. You came up before. Now it just disappeared. I don't know why it's not coming up. Did you put your video on, Oluchi?
No.
Okay, I need to see your video. That's why you're not up. Please. I just want to see your video. I'm still looking for you, Oluchi. Come on, please.
Auntie, I don't look that great, okay?
You don't, you don't need to. Okay, let's see it partially. I want to see it. Just partially. It's okay. Come on. I think I see you now. There you go. What are you talking about?
No,
Come on, Oluchi. All right.
doing, yes.
Okay, show half of your face. I need to make sure you're pointing it. All the body parts that I'm asking. Okay, Guinea will head. No, say it, sound it.
Oh, head. Head is head bull. Ihu.
No, the head, the whole head. Not face. Face bu ihu, Guinea bu head.
Oh, sorry, isi.
Guinea bu hair.
Hair bu untutu.
Dalo, Guinea bu nose.
Nose bu imi.
Guinea bu cheeks.
Cheek bu nti.
Nti, dalo. Guinea bu lips.
Lips bu ebu bere onu.
Guinea bu shin.
Shin bu aba.
Guinea bu eyeglasses.
Eyeglasses.
Yes.
Enyo anya.
There you go. There you go. Oluchi dollar. So, if you, I believe you know all of them. So keep on practicing. They will. Now let me get another person here. Shima. Oh no. Chimde. Unmute yourself. And then put your video on. Chimde. I'm looking for Chimde. Chimde, come on. Okay. Did you unmute yourself? Neba, will you akagelu? Chimde. Chimde didn't get your hand up. I need, okay, I see. Chimde, okay. All right. Did I ask you before? No?
Mba.
Okay. Ngwa. Chimde, gịnị mouth?
Ọnụ.
Gịnị ears? The way my Chimde, no, look at me. You have to, no, I don't want you to read from somewhere. You gotta be looking at me, okay?
Okay.
Are you
Inti.
looking at me?
Yes. Inti.
Nte, can you say nte?
Inte.
Gịnị eyes?
Anya.
Your eyes. Gịnị cheeks?
Amaghị m ya.
Gịnị shin?
Amaghị m ya.
Gịnị head? Your whole head.
Isi.
Gịnị hair?
Ntutu.
Gịnị lips?
Amaghị m ya.
Gịnị teeth?
Amaghị m ya.
Gịnị tongue?
Amaghị m ya.
Okay, daalụ. Kọrọ onwe gị aka. Kọrọ onwe gị aka, Miss, clap for yourself. Now, finish learning all of them, okay? All right, so learn all of them. Ebuka, unmute yourself. And then put your video on, Ebuka. Ebuka, video on. Where is Ebuka?
Ano, meba.
Okay, I need to see you. Achọrọ m ịhụ onyonyo gị. Come on, I need to get to everybody today. I told you we have oral quiz today, right? Okay. Ebuka, gịnị bụ ntutu? Ebuka, gịnị bụ nose?
Imi.
Imi. Can you say imi, Ebuka?
Imi.
Gịnị bụ teeth?
Eze.
Ebuka, look at me. I don't want you reading somewhere. No, look up. You should be looking at me. Don't read it. Nobody should be reading from a book. No. Gịnị bụ lips?
Egugoro ọnụ.
Daalụ. Gịnị bụ shin?
Agba.
Gịnị bụ beard?
Ajị afọ ọnụ.
Ajị afọ ọnụ. Gịnị bụ ears?
Ntị.
Gịnị bụ cheeks?
Nte.
Ntị. Gịnị bụ face?
Ihu.
Gịnị bụ eyes?
Anya.
Gịnị bụ eyelashes?
Mmapụ anya.
Mpupe anya.
Mpupe anya.
Gịnị bụ eyebrows?
Amaghị m ya.
Iku anya.
Iku anya.
Ngwa kọrọ onwe gị aka, Ebuka, daalụ. Kọrọ onwe gị aka, daalụ. Now, the ones you don't know, please go back to them, okay? Daalụ. Chibuikem, unmute yourself and put your video on. Chibuikem, unmute and put your video on. Chibuikem, I'm still waiting. Kedebeno. I'm still waiting for you to unmute. Chibuikem on eba. Chibuikem Kedo, unmute yourself. Click on the button there to unmute yourself. See that? Do you know how to unmute yourself? Ngwa, do that. You're still muted. Go ahead, unmute it. Click on that red button. Good. Chibuikem Gene Wushin. Chibuikem, if you don't know it, say Amagamia. Amagaya. Okay. Guinea mouth. Guinea nose. Guinea ears. Look at me. Look at me. I don't want you to look in the book. I want you to look at me straight, okay? Guinea face. Okay, look. No, don't look in the book. Look at me, Chibuikem. I want you to look at me on the screen, okay? Guinea head.
Isi.
Guinea shin.
Amaghị
Guinea eyeglasses.
ya.
Guinea earring.
Ọla ntị.
Ola nte. Can you say that?
Ọla ntị.
All right, Chibuikem, kọrọ onwe gị aka, daalụ. Now go ahead and finish the ones you don't know. Okay? Chiemezie. Okay, Chiemezie. Unmute yourself. Chiemezie ọ nọ ebe a? Chiemezie, welie aka gị elu. I need Chiemezie to get, okay, Chiemezie, there you go. Unmute. Chiemezie, I asked you to unmute yourself.
Yes, Auntie.
You did, all right. All right, so I'm trying to get you to the screen. For some reason you're not there. Let me see. Chiemezie. Did you get your hand up?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Genebu, yes, Chiemezie.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Or all right. Ngwa, I need to see the video. Put your video on. Chiemezie video. Don't waste us time. Time is running. I'm
Yes,
going to get to everybody. Okay, I want to see your face. Chiemezie, anama hu ihu ga, achọrọ m ihu ihu gị anya. Okay, Chiemezie, gịnị ebu cheerful face?
Cheerful face.
Mm-hmm.
Ihu ọcha.
No, Chiemezie, lower anya. I don't want you to be reading from anywhere. You need to look at me straight. Okay, ihu ọchị. Can you say ihu ọchị?
Ihu ọchị.
What is child smile?
I don't know it.
How do you say it in Igbo?
Amaghị ya.
There you go. That's what I want you to be telling me, okay? Gịnị bụ hair?
Ntutu.
Gịnị bụ head?
Isi.
Gịnị bụ face?
Ihu.
Gịnị bụ cheeks? Look up, don't read.
Amaghị ya.
Gịnị bụ your chin?
Huh? Yeah.
What is your chin?
No, don't know.
Agba.
Oh.
Chiemeze, you need to speak up. Gịnị bụ tongue?
Tongue.
Huh?
Ire.
Ire. Gịnị bụ teeth?
Eze.
Eze. All right, Chiemeze, daalụ. Kọrọ onwe gị aka. Daalụ, go finish it up, okay? Chidubem. All right, Chidubem, unmute yourself. Chidubem, unmute yourself. I need to see you.
You may go on mute.
Hey.
Chidubem is ready for me. Where is Chidubem? I can't find you, Chidubem. Okay, Chidubem, put your video on. Okay, get your hand up so I can see you. Some of you with iPhone, please change it. Put your name there. Somebody is there with iPhone 619. Put your name, please. All right, Shidibem. Shidibem Ongwa. Gene Butit.
Eze.
Gene Bushin.
Agba.
Gene Bu ears. You need to speak up, Chidibem. Gene Bu beard.
Aji. Afo onu.
Dalo. Gene Bu a cheerful face. If you don't know it, you know what you're supposed to say, right?
Amaginia.
Dalo. Gene Bu hair.
Institute.
Gene Bu head.
Isi.
Gene Bu cheeks. Nti. Gene Bu face.
Ihu.
Gene Bu eyes.
Anya.
Gene Bu earring.
All that.
Gene Bu tongue. Ire. Gene Bu lips. Yeah, kọrọ onwe gị aka Chidibem. Ndewo, ndewo. Amanze. Amanze, unmute yourself. Amanze. Amanze, go ahead and unmute. And then put your video on, Amanze. Amanze, unmute yourself and put your video on. Amanze, are you there? Is Amanze here? All right. Amanze, can you put your video on? Okay, you're not ready for this class now. So, Amanze, you're not putting your video on. Ihedem nuche. Ihedem nuche, unmute. And put your video on. Ihedem nuche. I'm waiting. I have to get to everybody. You need to do fast. Unmute yourself. Ihedem nuche. Put your video on. Tinye your video. Tinye onyonyo gi. Ihedem nuche. Put your
can't.
video on.
It's not working.
Why is it not working? It's
Oh, wait,
working now.
it is. Okay.
There you go. All right. Ihedem nuche. Gini eyeglasses.
Eyeglasses, bo. Enyo, Anya, Ugbegbe, Anya.
Okay, now look at me.
Is Enyo,
Don't
Anya?
I don't want you to be reading it from anywhere, okay? I want you to look at me. I want to know what you've already learned, okay? Want to
Okay.
know what you've learned. I don't want you reading from anywhere. Genebo, lips.
Lip, Egbo, bo, olo.
Egbugoro ono. Can you say that?
Egbo, bo, ano.
Koya ozo.
Egbo, bo,
Koya ozo means say it again, okay? Say it again.
Egbo, go, ano.
Egbugoro ono.
Egbo, bo, ano.
Genebu nose.
Nose, bo, imi.
Genebu head.
Head, bo, isi.
Genebu ears.
Ears, bo, amagimia.
Genebu cheeks.
Cheeks, bo, nti.
Tongue.
Tongue, amagimia.
Feet.
Teeth.
Yet. Your
Eze.
teeth. Okay. Genebu eyebrows.
Amagimia.
Genebu eyelashes.
Pepe Anya.
Mpupe.
Mpupe Anya.
Dalo. Genebu your shin.
Agba.
Genebu beard.
Beard. Amagimia.
Okay, so okay. Koro try. So go back to the ones you don't know, okay? And get them, okay? Dalo. Let me ask Bryant. Where's Brian? Brian, Wilia Kagelu. Brian, Abo. Wilia Kagelu. Let me see. I must get to everybody today. I'm looking for Brian. All right. Brian, can you unmute yourself? Unmute yourself, Brian. Brian, Abo. Brian, did you unmute yourself? I'm still waiting for you to unmute yourself. Oh, you need to unmute yourself. Go ahead, unmute it. All right, Brian. Brian, gịnị bụ hair?
Isi.
Gịnị bụ teeth?
Eze.
Gịnị bụ shin? Lewe m anya. No. Look at me. No, you should be looking at me. Don't read it. Just look at Auntie, okay? If you don't know it, I want you to say Amagimiya, okay? We got it? So look at me. Don't look stuff. I don't want you to be reading it from somewhere. Okay, gịnị bụ ears?
Magimia.
Gịnị bụ lips?
Iburu ọnụ.
Yeah, gịnị bụ hair? Your hair.
Ntutu.
Gịnị bụ nose?
Magimia.
Gịnị bụ your chin?
Aba.
Aba. Can you say aba?
Aba.
The aba.
Aba.
Okay. Go ahead and practice it, okay? Ngwakọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Now, Zara. Zara. Gịnị bụ your ears?
Ntị.
Gịnị bụ your ear? No, look at me. Look at me. Gịnị bụ your earring?
Ọla ntị.
Ọla ntị. Gịnị bụ your tongue?
Ere.
Ire.
Ire.
Your teeth.
Eze.
Your lips.
Juru ọnụ.
Egbugboro ọnụ.
Eruru ọnụ.
Egbugboro.
Eruru.
Egbugboro ọnụ.
Eruru ọnụ.
Okay. Gịnị bụ your eye?
Anya.
Gịnị bụ your head?
Isi.
Gịnị bụ your hair?
Ntutu.
Gịnị bụ eyeglasses? Say, if you don't know it, tell me Amagimiya.
Amagana.
Gịnị bụ your cheeks?
Ntị.
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 Okay, ngwakọrọ onwe gị aka. Daalụ. Na-esochi. Na-esochi your turn. Unmute yourself. Na-esochi your turn. Get your hand up. Na-esochi your turn. Okay, let's go to you. Unmute yourself. Okay. Na-esochi kedu? Adị mma. Can you say that? Adị mma. Okay. Now I need you to speak up. Okay? You need to speak up. I want everybody to hear you. Na-esochi gịnị bụ hair? No. Look at lewe manya. Gịnị bụ hair?
Isi.
No. Hair. Your hair. Na-esochi na-ele manya. Gịnị bụ nose?
Imi.
Gịnị bụ mouth? Na-esochi. You gotta look at me. Gịnị bụ mouth? If you don't know it, what? Amagimiya. Can you say Amagimiya?
Amagium,
Okay. Gene with cheeks. T. Gene with eyes. Lowe manya. Gene with eyes. Anya. Gene with your earrings. Come on. What is the word?
Amagium,
Okay, Nesochi. Koro Wagaka, but I want you to go and finish learning them, okay? All right. Where is Ebube? Ebube. Okay. Ebube, beginning with your shin. Your shin, your shin.
Oh, Abua,
Aba, nose.
Imi,
Head,
Isi,
hair.
Tutu,
Two. Your lips.
Boro, Oma,
Ebuboro ono.
Embugoro, Onu,
Kwoya ozo. When I say kwoya ozo, it means say it again. Kwoya ozo.
Embugoro, Onu,
Dalo. Your eyes.
Anya,
Cheerful face. What are you supposed to say if you don't know it?
Amagunya,
No, kusie ike. Kusie ike means say it loud. Kusie ya ike.
Amaginya,
Dalo. What is baby smile?
Mwata Achu Ochi,
Nwata chere ochi kwuo ya. Ebube kwuo nwata chere ochi.
Mwata Cherry Ochi,
Okay, gịnị bụ tongue?
Iri,
Ire. Ebube, ire.
Ire,
Okay, ngwadalo. Kọrọ onwe gị aka. I want you to go and learn it, okay? You have to learn everything by next week. Okay? Please, you have to do that. Okay. Chika. Chika. I need Chika to unmute.
Yeah,
Chika ị n'ebe ahụ? Chika, welie aka gị elu. Chika okeke. Okay. Let me see. Chika, I don't see your hand up. Chika, get your hand up. Okay. I think I see your hand up. Let's take and find you. Chico Keke. Wow, Chica. All right. All right, Chica. I thought I asked you before. Did I? I've already asked you. Where's your sibling? What's your sister? What's your sibling's name?
Sydney
What's-
Okiki,
Who?
Sydney Okiki,
Oh, Sydney. Okay. How do you pronounce your name? Okeke. Don't say Okike. Can you say Okeke?
Okeke,
Oya Ozo. Say it again.
Okeke,
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to pronounce your last name. It's not Okike, okay? Kika. It's Okeke. Can you say that?
Okeke,
Yes. So don't pronounce Okike again. You are an Igbo child. So Okeke, okay? You go to school, your teachers are pronouncing it the wrong way. Tell them, no, this is my last name. Okeke. They will be more than happy to learn it. Don't pronounce your last name Okike again, okay? Okeke. Can you say that again?
Okeke,
There you go. Okay, Sydney. Sydney, get your hand up. Where is Sydney? Okay, good. Sydney, unmute yourself. All right. You ready for me?
Yeah.
What is yes in Igbo? Okay, I need to see your video.
I don't show my camera.
Sydney, I need to see your video. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Yeah, you ready? All right, Sydney. Get
Yeah.
your eyeglasses. No, 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 don't look at the book. No. Look at me, Sydney. Close the book. Sydney, meche, close your book. Dalo, thank you. Sydney, get your eyeglasses.
Imagimia.
Amagimia. It's okay. It's all right, okay? You still have chance to learn it. Give me your lips.
Ebo garu.
Ebugboro ọnụ.
Ebubono obo.
Ebugboro. No, it's okay. Don't mind her. Don't mind whoever is laughing at you there. Say ebugboro.
Ebugoro.
Ebugboro.
Ebuboro.
Ọnụ.
Ono.
Ebugboro ọnụ.
Ebogombo.
No, it's okay, Sydney. It's okay. Ebugboro
Bono.
ọnụ.
Ono.
It's okay, you will get it, okay? All you need to do is to practice. What is head?
Easy.
Good. What is hair? If you don't know it, the word is amagamia.
Amagimia. I know.
Get no eye. No, stop. Who is that? Who is distracting you there?
No, it's my sister.
Now, tell your sister, Auntie is not happy with her right now. She needs to leave you alone. Okay. Sydney, look at me. What is nose?
Imi.
Good. What's ears?
Nti.
Nte.
Nte.
Earrings.
Nti.
No, earrings. Your earrings.
Ebu onyo.
No, Sydney. Your earrings. Ola nte.
Ola nti. Nte.
Okay. Yeah. How about your teeth?
Is it?
Eze.
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 There you go. How about your cheeks?
My cheeks.
Yes. What is the word? I don't know it.
Emioro.
Amagamia.
Amagimia.
Okay, Sydney. Now you owe me something. What you are owing me is to go and learn all these, just the head area. By next week, okay? You should be able to know them. How about that?
Okay.
All right, Dalo, okay? Dalo, Kate. I'm calling Kate. Kate, you ready for me? All right, Kate, unmute yourself. All right, Kate, Guinea.
Look at her.
Kate, look at me. Don't look at mommy. Mommy, I want you to disappear now. It's me and Kate. Kate, nose. Come on. No, Kate, I need to see your mouth. Sit up, Kate. Get your hand off your mouth, Kate. Kate, what's nose? What's your nose? No, look at me. Let's try. How about your hair? Your hair, what is it?
Easy.
No, your hair. See the hair. Okay, what is the hair? The head. What is head called? What is it?
Easy.
You see, how about your eye? What is the eye? No, I think you're telling me the lips. Lips are ebuboro ono. Can you say ebuboro ono? Awesome. And I listened to your recording. You did very well. So, Kate, I want you and Xavier to practice very well. Okay? By Thursday, you two should be able to record yourself and send me your video, naming your head area parts. Okay? How about that? Okay, Kate? Dalo, Kate. All right. Ekene. Ekene and Ifechi. I'm looking for Ekene and Ifechi. All right, Ekene and Ifechi. Unmute yourself. Ekene and Ifechi, Daddy. You need to help them here. Who is Ekene? Who is Ifechi?
Ekene.
Ekene Ngwa. I need the video on Ekene now. Ekene.
Is that the Ekene she's talking to?
Ekene, look at me. Look at me. Now, keep your crayon down, Ekene.
You see
Keep
her?
it down.
Okay. if
Oh,
that's the
no, Ekene.
I see you.
Okay, Daddy, I need you, in fact, I will, can you call me after this class?
Sure.
I need to quiz Ekene separately.
Okay.
Yeah, please call me, as soon as it's like 1:15, okay, or 1:20.
Okay.
All right, Dalo. Timer, innocent. Timer, unmute yourself. Is Kaima here? Ebuka Kaima on Eba, I need the Kaima to unmute. I can't see you, Kaima. You need to raise your hand. And after that, Nwoko G, that would be you. Okay, Kaima, all right, I see you. I don't know why it's not unmuting. Can you unmute yourself, Kaima? I don't know why it's not unmuting. Let me try again. Someone is in the region. Okay, Kaima, I will come back to you. Let me ask Nkechi. I'll come back to you, Kaima. Nkechi, put on your video. Nkechi Innocent. Nkechi and Emeka, unmute. Come on, I'm trying to get everybody. Video, I need to see the video. Okay, Nkechi? Nkechi, give me your shin.
Agba.
Ba. Can you say Aba?
Aba.
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 There you go. Eyes.
Huh?
Your eyes.
Anya.
Nose.
Imi.
Face.
Ihu.
Head.
Isi.
Hair.
Ntutu.
Lips.
Ebugboro ọnụ.
Your, okay, beard. Beard.
What did she say? What did you say?
The beard.
What did you say?
Can you look at me? Can you see me?
Oh, Aji Afu ọnụ.
Now, I want you to be looking at me, okay? You're doing a good job.
Your
cheeks.
I can't hear you.
Okay, but you can see me.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm pointing at it. Cheeks.
Inti. Nti.
Okay, your eyebrows.
Mpupe anya.
No. Eyebrows.
Oh, iku anya.
Your eyelashes.
Mpupe anya.
Cheerful face.
Ihu ọchị.
Baby smile.
Nwata chịrị ọchị.
Nwata chịrị ọchị, ngwa kọrọ onwe gị aka. Daalụ. Where is Emeka? Emeka? Okay, Emeka, come on. Emeka. Oh, I need, no. Nkechi, move aside. Emeka, position it, okay? Emeka, your tongue.
Yes.
Tongue.
You said tongue?
Tongue.
Ire.
Teeth.
Is
No, don't look. I don't want you to look at anywhere. Just look at me. Okay. Beard. Beard, Emeka. Go ahead, don't listen to them. Your beard.
Aji off.
Aji afuono.
Ono.
Aji afuono.
Aji afono.
Lips.
Ebuburu ọnụ.
Okay. Your eyebrows.
Ịkụ anya.
Okay. Your chin.
Agba.
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 Cheeks.
Nti.
Nti. Dalo. Kaima on eba.
Yeah, she's here. Come
Okay.
on.
Let me tell Kaima to come. Kaima, come on. Nobody is leaving this class. Don't leave until I Kaima, Kado. Kaima, gine wutango.
Ire.
Teeth.
Eze.
Lips.
Oh. Eburu ọrụ.
Ebuboro ono.
Eguguru ọrụ.
Ebu.
Oh, eburu.
Boro ono.
Eburu ọrụ.
Okay, you need to learn it, okay? Your cheeks.
My cheeks.
Come on, Kaima, don't listen to them. Nti. Can you repeat it? Nti.
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 Your ears.
Nti.
Nte.
Nti. I'm sorry.
Nte. It's okay. Nte. Can you speak up?
Nte.
Okay. So, Kaima, you tried, but I need you to learn it very well. Okay?
Okay.
So make sure you learn it very well. By Thursday, you're supposed to record yourself and send to me. Okay? All right. Dalo, Kaima. Dalo. Let me see. I know I'm missing a lot of people. I'm missing a lot of people. Nkechi, you try, Dalo. Nwokoji, Angel, unmute yourself. Angel, Nwokoji. Did you unmute, Angel?
Yeah, sorry, I was.
Okay, it's okay. It's all right. Okay, I need to see the video.
Got it.
I don't want anybody to go. Nobody is leaving yet. Angel, I need to see your face. You're blocking your face. Come on. All right.
Into my screen,
Okay,
so-
Angel, can you move your hair back? So when I tell you to point at something, you should be able to point. Okay, Angel, your hair.
See, hair or head?
Hair. Your hair.
Head. Easy.
No, the hair. The
Okay.
hair.
Easy.
Okay, yeah, you can say this, but what did I tell you in class? What is it called?
Tutu?
Tutu. Angel, I want you to say tutu.
Tutu.
Your head.
Oh, head.
Head.
Easy?
It's your nose.
Imi?
Imi, eyes.
Anya.
Lips.
Ebuboro onu?
Your cheeks.
Nti?
Nti.
Nti.
Nti. Your eyes.
Anya?
Your eyeglasses.
Enyo Anya?
And your anya. Cheerful face.
Ihu Ochi?
Ihuochi. Baby smile.
Nwata Tiri Ochi?
There you go. What is baby?
Nwata?
There you go. I want to make sure you know it. That's good. What's your sibling? What is the next person? Call them.
Okay, give me a second.
No, where are they? Why do you mean? What do you mean give you a second? Call them to get to the video. Where are they?
Well,
Kaima is there, right?
I know one of them is awake, so.
Okay, leave them. If they're still sleeping, let me get the rest of them here. It's okay. Angel, now, thank you. Obi and Chima, put your video on. Where is Obi and Chima? Okay. Obi and Chima. Can you unmute yourself? Obi, I asked you to unmute. Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Can you unmute? Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's your brother?
He's right there.
Okay. All right. Head,
Isi,
mouth,
Anu,
lips,
Amagemia,
ears.
Imi,
No, ears. Nte.
Nte,
Nose,
Imi,
head,
Isi,
hair.
Isi,
Your hair. No, hair. Your hair. Ntutu.
Ntutu,
Your chin.
Amagemia,
Your tongue.
Amagemia.
Okay, where's Chima?
Oh,
Chima. Chima, your eyeglasses.
Amagemia,
Chima, ears. Chima, ears.
Nte,
Nte. Your lips. Chima, listen to me.
Amagemia.
Chima, I'm going to come there and take you and bring you to my house. Is that what you want?
No.
No. Okay, you gotta answer me now. What is your nose?
Ini,
Imi. Who is telling you that, Obi, right? Obi, stay away now. Your head. Chima, your head.
Isi,
Your hair.
Ntutu,
Ntutu. Your cheeks. Okay, Chima. I need you to go learn it, you and the Obi, okay? Make sure you go back to learn it again, okay?
Okay.
All right, Dalo. If you know I didn't call you, raise your hand. If you know I did not call you, Princess and Ziena. Princess, get your hand up. Princess, you and Ziena. If you know I did not call you, I did not quiz you, get your hand up because I'm gonna call you, okay? So keep your hand up if you know I didn't call you. Ebuka and Kaima, I thought I called you guys. Princess, okay, and Ziena. All right, unmute yourself. Can you unmute yourself? Yeah, you are good. You did.
Okay,
All right.
good.
Okay, Princess, Isi,
Head.
hair,
Ntutu.
nose,
Emmy.
Imi,
Imi. Anya.
mouth. If you don't know it, what are you? Ziena. Ziena, stop.
Yes.
Kwase. Princess, your mouth. If you don't know it, I want you to say amagmia.
Imagnia.
Amagmia.
Amagnia.
Okay. Your lips.
Amagnia.
Your ears. What is ear? Do you know what your ears are called? Nte. Nte. Okay. Your eyebrows.
Imagnia.
Your chin.
Imagnia.
Amagmia.
Imagnia.
Okay, Ziena.
Yes.
Ziena, cheerful face.
Ntutu.
No, Ziena, cheerful face is Ihu Ochi. Can you say Ihu Ochi?
Ibu Ochi.
Ihu Ochi.
Ugu Ochi.
Okay. Your ears.
Ewe.
No. Your ears.
Imagema.
Amagamia. Zian and Princess, tell mommy and daddy, auntie want them to give me a call. Okay? Tell them to
Okay.
call me. I will be waiting for their call. All right?
Okay.
All right, darling. Come see Ozibo. Come see. Put your video on. Unmute yourself. Come see. Unmute yourself.
Yeah,
Come see, Kedo.
I didn't know.
Ademama, come see. Your tongue.
Ira.
Nose.
Imi.
Eyes.
Anya.
Cheeks.
Nti.
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 Your hair.
Ntutu.
Your lips.
Ebuboro ọnụ.
Your shin.
Aba.
Beard.
Ajị afọ ọnụ.
Eyebrows.
Iku anya.
Eyelashes.
Pupe anya.
Baby smile.
Nwata chọọchị.
Baby.
Nwata.
Cheerful face.
Ihu ọchị.
Watch it. Koro onwe gị aka, daalụ. Daalụ. Awesome. Come see, you just finished. Who else is there with you? Come see somebody there with you, your sibling? Okay. Who else? If you know I didn't call you, raise your hand. I want to call Ugonna and Kenechi. Ugonna and your siblings. Okay, unmute. All right, so let me get to Ugonna. Ugonna, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Ugonna, Kedo.
Aduma.
What do you have on your lips? What did you put on your lips, Ugonna?
I didn't put anything on my lips.
You put something, that's background thing, right? It makes your lips be a green color. No, it's okay. I think it's the background thing that you put there. Okay, Ugonna, Guinea lips.
Ebuboro
Ebuborano, teeth.
Eze.
I don't want anybody to leave. Everybody should stay here until we're done. I know we exceeded the time, but everybody stay. Okay. Nose.
Imi.
Eyes.
Anya.
Tongue.
Ire.
Nwata. What is nwata? Ugonna. Gene bụ nwata. Okay, Ugonna. Gene bụ baby smile.
Nawa. Yochi.
Nwata. Can you say nwata?
Wanta.
Chiriochi.
Yochi.
Okay, Ugonna. Gene bụ baby. Ugonna, come on, you're doing very well. Gene bụ baby. Can you say nwata?
Wanta.
Can you say nwata?
Wanta.
Okay, Ugonna. Gene eyeglasses.
Eyo. Anya.
Enyo anya, Ugonna, koro onwe gị aka. Now you need to go finish and learning the rest of them, okay? Okay, I want Kenechi. Did I ask Kenechi? Not yet. Kenechi Kedu?
I didn't know.
At the moment, gini eyeglasses.
Enyo anya.
Enyo anya. Gini teeth.
Eze.
Gini mouth.
Ọnụ.
Gini shin.
What?
Your shin. Can you see me? Aba. Gini beard.
Ajị afọ ọnụ.
Aje afọ ọnụ. Gini cheerful face.
Ihu ọchị.
Gini baby smile.
Nwata chịrị ọchị.
Gini baby.
Nwata.
Nwata. Gịnị wụ face?
Ihu.
Gịnị wụ eyebrows?
Iku anya.
Eyelashes?
Mpepe anya.
Mpupe anya?
Mpupe anya.
Lips?
Egbugboro ọnụ.
Cheeks?
Ntị.
Ntị. Daalụ Kenechi, kọrọ onwe gị aka. Kọrọ onwe gị aka. Kọrọ onwe gị aka, Miss, clap for yourself. Daalụ, daalụ. Okay. So Benna, I think Xavier, I thought I asked you. Okay, Xavier, I'll come back. Let me ask to Benna. Daalụ Kenechi, you did very well. To Benna. To Benna, lewe manya, lewe manya. To Benna, gịnị? To Benna, unmute yourself. Yeah, to Benna, gịnị wụ head? To Benna, lewe manya, leave mommy alone. Lewe manya, look at me. To Benna, gịnị wụ head?
Isi.
Gịnị wụ face?
Ihu.
Your hair.
Kushikin kahan.
Isi.
Your hair is ntutu. Can you say ntutu?
Ntutu.
Okay, to Benna, I need to speak up. Kusike, kuseyike. To Benna, lips. Can you say ebugboro ọnụ?
Obu ebugboro ọnụ.
Your ears.
Ntị.
Nte. Your nose.
Imi.
Imi, yeah. To Benna, kọrọ onwe gị aka. Good job. Ndewo, daalụ, daalụ. Now, Xavier, okay. Xavier, your turn. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Okay. Can you unmute? Okay, good.
Okay,
Xavier,
yeah, I just got it.
Kedu? Kedu? Xavier, when I say kedu or kedu ka imere, what are you supposed to say? What is kedu? What is kedu? Kedu means how are you?
Oh, okay. So I say
How,
good.
Yeah. So how do you say I'm fine?
Igimi anya.
Xavier, Adam, if I say how are you, it means kedu or kedu kaime. So your response should be Adam mma, meaning I am fine. Adam mma. Can you say it again?
Adam.
Okay. Dalo. Okay, Xavier, your lips.
Nkoro.
Ebugboro ọnụ.
Ebugoro ọnụ.
Your eyes.
Anya.
Nose.
Imi.
Now look at me. Are you reading it from somewhere?
No, I'm looking at my iPad.
No, I don't want you to look at your iPad. I want you to look at me.
Okay.
Don't read it. Look at me. I want to make sure you're saying it right. So I want you to look on the screen and look at me, okay? Okay, Xavier, your face.
Ihu.
Your head. Look at me, Xavier. Your head.
Isi.
Your hair.
Ntutu.
Your ears.
Nte.
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 Your mouth.
Onu.
Onu. Shin. Are you looking at me?
Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay.
I don't want you to read it. I want to make sure you know it. Your chin.
You give me.
Agba.
How do you say I don't know?
Amagamia.
Amagamia.
Okay, it's agba.
Agua.
Okay. Your eyebrows.
Mpupu anya.
No, iku anya.
Oh, iku anya.
Your eyelashes.
Mpupu anya.
Mpupu anya. Okay, now Xavier, I want you to go ahead and memorize it, okay? Before next week. Okay? All right. Am I missing anybody? If I'm missing, you raise your hand. Okay, so I got everybody, right? Oh, yeah, awesome. Now, let me say this. I am very proud of all of you. You did your homework and you sent it. If you know you have not sent your homework, you better do it and send it to me. You still have to do your homework. And everybody, please, we're going to have a quiz next week. I want you to memorize everything. If you know everything we did, you have to learn all of them. And we're going to go ahead and finish from neck down. We have to learn all the body parts. So you have to finish the head area. Okay? So thank you for doing your homework. But for those who didn't do it, you go ahead and do your homework and send it to me. You all did very well. If you know the ones that you don't know, go back and learn them. Okay? Now I'm going to unmute everybody. And I want to hear, see you next time in Igbo, how to say it. Okay. How do we say see you next time?
Cardio.
Everyone to know I'm here.
All right.
Cardio.
Cardio.